Today we are in Basaveshwar Sugar Factory. Guri sir AGM, Basaveshwar Sugar Factory. So they are using our IMCO products, hammers, leveler life and softener knives. So let's take some feedback from Guri sir. So before what were you using and after what you are using?
Since years, we are using your products.
Okay.
Before we used
Conventional knife.
conventional like we use only 3 lakh.
Okay.
Crushing. After that, we will reverse it on the little
Quick. Okay. In the chopper.
in the chopper. Like in same leveler.
Okay.
We used to change 3 lakh, below 3 lakh.
Okay. So earlier you were using conventional.
Yes, conventional, welded type.
Welded. So those
After
knives.
that, we have made some trial that help chopper.
Okay.
That's we have faced some another problems.
Breakages.
Breakages.
Okay.
After we have introduced this tip type.
Okay.
Firstly, we used a single side tip.
Okay.
We have satisfied that.
Okay.
After that, your people have can you go for this
Both sides.
both side tip.
Okay.
We have crushed 6 lakh in single piece.
Okay. You have pressed 6 lakhs on single edge.
Single edge.
Okay.
We have saved lot.
Okay.
And I really face very problem.
Okay.
We are happy for this IMCO products.
Okay.
And this regarding this fiberizer.
Okay.
Previously we are using that. Since last year we are using Zuper. Previously Zuper block.
Okay.
Within 2 lakh.
Okay.
We are replacing
Reversing.
tip.
Okay.
Okay. Because this we are using maximum this harvested cane.
Sand.
Sand will be there, na?
Correct.
Silica is there.
Correct. So after using Zuper Sera, how much the life you are getting?
Last year we have run around 4-5 lakh.
Okay.
In single sales.
Okay. One edge. Okay. So earlier when you were using the Zuper crop, that time the life was getting 2 lakhs. On single
Maximum
edge.
2 lakh.
Maximum.
So those
So they were getting 5 to 6 lakhs.
yes. Aram se.
So now you are happy with income.
We are happy with
And
all the best for the IMCO.
thank you, sir. Thank you.
IMCO Total Wear Solutions.